Hi, let me quickly show you how to export with a transparent background in Adobe Character Animator. So like for example, if you're working on a particular project you're done, maybe you work on this particular character, for example, lip sync, rigging, movement, and you're done with all that, and you need to move this character to maybe Premiere Pro or After Effects, and you want it on a transparent background, you don't want all this to go with it. So you can achieve that by, let's turn off this background first, then simply come to File, Export, then use Video with Alpha. So when you click on this, you save it, then wait for the media encoder to prepare that. So I have a sample here already, so you see something like this: QuickTime, Apple ProRes for 4, then ready, you will have it on a transparent background. So